pulling time, we're bringing 4 tractors, the 1175, the 930, the 800, and the Farm LM. We're going to be pulling all 4 at the Almelund tractor pull, and this weekend's going to be a blast. Well, it's about time to head out. Got her all strapped down. Yeah, shut up. There's a big bud here. You gotta be kidding me. No freaking way. Holy. Ain't no way. It looks so much bigger in person. Holy crap. Okay guys, so this is Turbo. He's 12,000 pounds-ish. And he seems pretty big, but then it's just enormous. Like, look at the difference. He's tiny. What the heck? This is sick. Like always, the starter's broken, so we have to pull started. Well, we got a 1070 here, very similar to our tractor, just I don't think it's turboed. Then we got this big old case. Don't even know the name of it, but that's comparison. We got turbo, and then got this guy. Looks like he might be pulling too. This would be a fun tractor to see pull. Spirit of 76. It's a cool tractor. I wonder what size it is. It's probably a 1370. No way. 1370, so it's bigger than the 1175 by, it looks like quite a bit with the cabin duals, but they're similar height and stuff like that. Just a little bit bigger of a, definitely a bigger engine, a 504 or a, yeah, 504 and a 451, so a lot bigger. Looks big. Two 1370s, three of them, 970, 970, 930. Ours is bigger than that one, but not bigger than these two. Cool tractors though. Well guys, I'm pulling in 9,000 and I weigh 8,900. So we just are throwing on two more weights to go up 90 pounds each, about 180 pounds, 200 pound race limit. We'll see what happens, and it'll be a great class with Rusty. And then for Turbo, we're trying to do 11,000, and he's always way too heavy, so he can pick up the batteries, random sheet metal, everything. Cool. So this is Rusty. They have 9,000 pounds. Oh, yeah, we can't so slow. Well guys, I haven't seen anything yet. I just pulled. It felt freaking awesome. It was wheeling, rolling coal. It just kept chugging. My favorite pull. So that's how that thing did. I haven't seen the footage, but I hope you guys like it. And now we gotta put the 1175 down to 11,000 pounds, and then we're gonna bring him up to 13,000 pounds for the next pull. We'll see what happens. already.
All right, coming down on the track in Class L, I believe it is pole number 16. This is Avery Linder from Lynchtown on 1958 State 800. This is Avery's first pole. Welcome to the Avery Linder's first pole. Have our new track to change clinic today. Great job. Watching the side. Pulling low here. All right. Let's give a round of
Well guys, I'm up to pole soon. I could actually win this class because there's a speed limit and I'm not super modified, but I have a shot, so we'll see what happens.
So this is about where the farthest tractor has went right now. Gavin's about to pull, so he needs to beat this to get first place, or close to it to even place.
right now is 307.
Guys, that was an awesome poll. Now I know we didn't win any trophies. We're working towards that. But it was a lot of fun to ride these things. Now you might say, oh, that's boring, you know. Well, driving one of these down a track, full RPMs, pushing it as hard as you can, that is an experience that I'll never forget. Now, do I want this thing to roll coal and win every tractor pull? Yeah, I want to work towards that. I want to get injectors, bigger turbo, bigger fuel pump, double fuel pump, bigger lines, everything. Even water injection someday would be sick. Now, do I have the funds for that? Heck no. So if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button for me, maybe we can grow the channel enough to actually have this guy going 30 rolling coal at every pull. Thank you for watching this video though. Have a great rest of your week. That's all I got.